Welcome back to the channel as we explore the stylish YIYAN 3-piece rocking bistro set today. These premium wicker chairs feature a smooth rocking motion perfect for your porch or patio. You will love the soft washable cushions that provide incredible support for long afternoons outside. The matching coffee table has a sleek black glass top for your favorite drinks and snacks. A durable metal frame ensures this weather-resistant furniture set remains stable and strong for years. The assembly process is quick and simple thanks to the clear step-by-step instructions included. Transform your outdoor space into a relaxing oasis with this elegant and comfortable rattan furniture set. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.